Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Jumping in on this rockers, floor pan, and these wedges. They're not wedges, they're like the dog legs here. Just hop into it, let's go. Well, guys, I don't know how this audio is going to be. Ended up dropping my camera. My tripod broke. Camera fell over and snapped the auxiliary jack off into the camera, but I was able to dig it out. So if there's no audio, I will voice over. Anyways, so I just didn't focus on filming. I just really wanted to get this done, get this floor pan in. I did mess up. There's a wedge that goes underneath the floor here, and I had them backwards because they were labeled backwards, so I put them in how they were labeled, even though it didn't fit good. I was trying to figure it out, so then I figured it out. Had to cut my new floor pan, peel it out, put the correct side in, so I could do it right. But you won't be able to tell that's there when I'm all done anyway. I'll fill that in a little bit nicer welds, grind it down, and it's still going to be bed lined inside here. But anyways, yeah, so both sides floor pans are done, both sides rockers are done. New dog legs here. Almost got this bedside off. I keep snapping my Harbor Freight spot weld cutters, but I'm gonna order some good ones off Amazon or somewhere else. See what happens. But I'm trying to do a little less rambling, just a little more action, a little less talking. So that's it for this video. I'm gonna keep moving and stay tuned for the next one.